Yes. Be ready for the dictation. Start. In 1988-90, the central government announced a new scheme for intensive employment in backward districts where acute poverty and unemployment prevailed. Stop. In all, 120 districts were identified for the purpose, and the new scheme was named as Jawaharlal Nehru Rozgar Yojana. Stop. The Government of India then decided to merge Rural Employment Program and Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program as well as the Jawaharlal Nehru Rozgar Yojana into one Rural Employment Program to be known as Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. Stop. Under this program, the assistance received from the central government as well as the state governments of union territories was required to be given to the village panchayats to increase the coverage of the program and to ensure fuller participation of the people in its implementation. Stop. In view of the transfer of the responsibility to implement the program to village panchayats from the DRDA, the latter ceased to be the machinery for employing either the supervisors or the unskilled laborers and for choosing the works to be implemented and for distributing the funds, since the funds were thereafter placed by the central government directly in the hands of the village panchayats. Stop. The DRDA thus ceased to be the implementing machinery with effect from July 31, 1989. Stop. The Union Territory of Delhi has 191 panchayats. Stop. In pursuance of the directive of the Department of Rural Development, Ministry of Agricultural Development, Government of India, the Union Territory has been providing funds to the village panchayats and has also been monitoring the program to the extent of the mandate given to it in the guidelines of the scheme. Stop. However, as stated earlier, the choice of work and of the workforce, which was hitherto made by the DRDA, is now made by the panchayats, taking into consideration the funds allotted to the panchayats and within the overall guidelines issued by the central government. Stop. The works taken up by the panchayats also include the social forestry works. Stop. Thus, the DRDA was no longer directly concerned with the social forestry work or the employment under it or with the payment of wages to the workers, which is exclusively left to village panchayats. Stop. It is necessary in this connection to note two more facts. Stop. The DRDA Delhi is an autonomous body registered as a society under the Societies Registration Act. Stop. It is neither a department of the Delhi administration nor of the central government. Stop. It only implements policies of the central government under the supervision of the Delhi administration. Stop. It has no funds of its own. Stop. For the implementation of the programs of employment, the funds were always placed at its disposal by the central government and it had to spend them as per the prescribed guidelines. Stop. As stated earlier, the employment program under Jawahar Rozgar Yojana has since been transferred to the panchayats. Stop. On behalf of the petitioners, it was contended that DRDA was a department either of the central government or of the Delhi administration and was not an autonomous body, much less was it registered under the Societies Registration Act. Full stop. Over.